This brief webinar is going to go over UNH Cooperative Extension promotion procedures and the resources that we have available to folks and where to find them and which resources are critical for you to take a look at. Oftentimes folks have a little bit of a difficulty finding things, so we're going to walk you through that now. This page should look familiar to you. If you log on to our extension intranet, you will need to log into this in order to have access to these documents. What you will want to do is take a look over here at the left and click on Personnel and Staff Development. That will take you to a new page that has a variety of things, one of which happens to be the Extension Educator Promotion Procedures. And if you click on that, that is going to take you to a page that really has all of the information that you should need about extension promotion at your fingertips. Probably one of the most key documents here is the promotion procedures, which is the very first document up there. It's several pages long. I highly encourage that you print this out and take a look at it. It contains information about the ranking system, deadlines, all of the formatting and information you need to have a successful portfolio for your promotion process. In addition to that, there's a checklist for your notebook here that you can open up and take a look at that gives you lots of information. Information about, again, all of the things that need to go into your notebook, which sections apply to certain things, where things should go and how it should be organized. In addition to that, you will find a copy of the ranking chart. This is also a key document that we'll go over in a later webinar. Talks about the time and rank that's minimum, things that you need to have as far as accomplishments at each level, and all sorts of other documents in here that are required. For instance, a nomination form that your program leader will need to send in and sign that nominates you, evaluations by either your advisory council members, if you're a field specialist, or if you're an extension faculty member, your department chair has a form to fill out. So those are all found here as well. Another key document is this best practices document. This was developed by several former and current promotion committee members. It really talks about all of the best practices that they've seen over the years as far as creating a very successful promotion notebook. And again, it's one of those you'll want to print out and review fairly carefully. Under this leadership teams document, you will find a list of all the current promotion committee members if you're curious about that. And when it comes time to compile your notebook, there is a template here that is an Adobe file that you can open up and use to put your documents into to create that Adobe document. Again, there'll be another webinar that talks all about that here at another time. Another really important place for you to know about is out on the shared drive. Everybody should have a link to the shared drive. Ivy Drive. If you click on Shared All, you will find a notebook with folder samples, and these are all electronic portfolios that have been created over the last couple of years by staff who have been successful in the promotion process and have agreed to put their portfolios up there. So if you're curious about what has gone into other people's portfolios, particularly if it's somebody maybe in your program team, you might want to take a look and review those as well. And we'll have another set of webinar up soon on the Extension Educator ranking chart.